Here we have a rechargeable digital kitchen timer for cooking, classroom, office, home, work, study, fitness, and even games. You have two timing modes, count up or count down. With this 5-inch large digital screen, you have 3 levels of brightness. The alarm, it has 4-level volume adjustment. You could hang it, use the magnets in the back, or pull out the convenient stand and put it on a tabletop. With the top clearly marked buttons, with a timer like this, it has a variety of uses, which is power naps, meeting, be used as a gift, for homework, for studying, for kitchen, and even for playing games. The timer comes with a Type-C charging cable and no need to worry about changing batteries frequently. If you need a timer and are looking for a useful and clear one and simple to use, then this may be the one.